Hey guys, and welcome to Pro Wrestling Unlimited. According to PW Insider, Alberto Del Rio was once again pulled from weekend live events and did not appear at the Madison Square Garden show last night as advertised. Instead, Kalisto ended up facing Rusev as Del Rio's replacement. This is the second weekend in a row that Del Rio has been pulled from live events, and he also missed the SmackDown tapings earlier this week in Boston. As noted, Del Rio has been dealing with a lower back issue after taking a vertical suplex from Brock Lesnar at the Royal Rumble and a German suplex on the January 18th edition of Raw. While that is not confirmed, WWE could just be giving Del Rio the time off to deal with the nagging injury before his handicap 4-on-3 match at WrestleMania. If anything else does come up on Alberto Del Rio and his possible lower back injury, we will bring it to you here on Pro Wrestling Unlimited. Remember, guys, comment below, like and share this video, like us on Facebook, and subscribe here on YouTube.